The DrunkDeer G60. This magnetic switch gaming keyboard has generated quite a buzz for its unique key travel customization and versatile features. Let's delve into its highlights and see if it unlocks your hidden keyboard potential. Key features: fully adjustable key travel. Magnetic switches allow you to fine-tune key travel between 0.2 mm and 3.8 mm, catering to various game genres and typing styles. Rapid trigger response. Enjoy lightning-fast actuation for FPS dominance and competitive edge. All-effect chip technology ensures precise keystrokes and improved durability compared to traditional mechanical switches. Multiple connectivity options. Connects via USB-C or Bluetooth 5.2, offering wired and wireless flexibility. Hot swappable keys. Customize your keyboard with compatible third-party switches to find your perfect feel. Full RGB backlighting. Create stunning lighting effects and personalize your typing experience. Dedicated macro keys and media controls. Enhance your workflow and gaming experience with convenient button functions. Compact 60% layout. Saves desk space and provides portability for LAN parties or tournaments. Here are some of the pros and cons of the DrunkDeer G60 gaming keyboard. Pros: unleash your game. Comfort is key. Durability redefined. Go wired or wireless. Personalization galore. Boost your efficiency. Compact champion. Cons: price. Learning curve. Limited availability. Loud clicking sound. Overall impression: the DrunkDeer G60 offers a unique and compelling proposition for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts who value customization, performance, and durability. Its adjustable key travel, rapid trigger response, and versatile features cater to a wide range of needs and preferences. However, the price tag, potential learning curve, and louder clicking sound are factors to weigh before unlocking your keyboard potential. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.